morning, everyone. It gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all to Aram, the Career Fair 2025 here at Sarvottam International School, a day dedicated to dreams, opportunities, and new beginnings.
Today is not just another school event, it's a window to the world beyond school, a world of higher education, innovation, and exploration. We are truly honored to host this fair under the inspiring leadership of our respected Director Principal Ma'am, whose vision and guidance have always encouraged us to dream big and prepare for the future with confidence. We also extend a warm welcome to our partners in guidance and counseling, student aid publications, Advice, Silvochi counselors for helping students like us make informed and confident career choices.
We hope today's interactions will help each one of us gain valuable insights into various academic and career opportunities across India and abroad.
Art has its own language and dance.
Now, let's begin the event with lighting of the ceremonial lamp, a symbol of knowledge and enlightenment. We request the Director Principal Ma'am to escort the guests to do the honors.
Indeed an honor to invite our respected Director Principal Ma'am to guide us. Ma'am, your constant encouragement and leadership illuminate our path and inspire us to aim higher with every step we take. We look forward to hearing your words of wisdom.
A very warm welcome to all the representatives of the university, the famous ones, the important ones, the ones who are creating a lot of change in the way higher education is grooming our children. A big, big welcome and gratitude to EduTV for putting up such a beautiful ensemble of higher education academia here. And I hope that the day comes out well for all of us. All the best to the universities. Thank you so much, Pranav and Tanya, for putting all this together. It means a lot to us. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Priyanshu from grade 11, Sarvottam International School. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak and share my experience. So basically the fest is going excellent. It gave me a lot. It basically provided me with a lot of gates I didn't knew. And yeah, it's really fun to know about the universities and the career options I have. And thank you EduTV for having me over.
Greetings everyone, my name is Marini Bandaru of Sarvottam International School studying in class 11th. Today I am at Aram Career Fest held by EduTV with the university, Tokyo International University, with the representative Muskan ma'am. So ma'am, can you please give an introduction about your university?
Definitely. Hi, I'm Muskan. I work with Tokyo International University, based in Tokyo as the name suggests. This university is specialized into business and commerce courses, all taught in English language. The degree is going to be for 4 years, and as I mentioned, all 4 years degree for English language, which means you don't need to learn Japanese language.
Greetings everyone. We are at BMU Munjal University at the Aram Career Fair 2025, organized at Sarvottam International School. We have Ms. Sakshi with us, a representative of BMU Munjal University. Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, very good morning. I'm from BML Munjal University, and it's a Hero Group initiative. Today, I'm at Sarvottam International School, Greater Noida. Well, I was, I think, one of the first or the second university to enter the school today. And what a morning, I mean, what a warm welcome from the school's end. We had a lovely interaction with the principal of the school. Now, as we've started with the fair, I've been seeing students coming up, asking questions. So I can see that interest and the kind of, mindset that the students have. Everything has been managed and arranged in a very well way. And I'm very happy to be a part of this career fair today. Thank you very much for everything and for having me here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We are also really grateful that you're here.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Ojas Agarwal from grade 11th, Sarvottam International School. We are here with the representative of MIT World Peace University, Mr. Aditya. So, Mr. Aditya, could you please guide us about your university?
So hi, my name is Aditya Tripathi and I'm here. Okay. Hi, my name is Aditya Tripathi and I'm here representing MIT World Peace University. We are based out in Pune, Maharashtra. With more than 43 years of legacy, we are Asia's only peace university where we imbibe the curriculum of peace along with any regular courses which we offer to the students.
Thank you so much, sir. So, this was Mr. Aditya from MIT World Peace University. I would now like to sign off and continue to watch EduTV. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Srishti Ray, and I'm a student of class 11th at Sarvottam International School. Today, our school has organized a career fair for all our information. So let's start off with advice. Today, I have Miss Arpita, who will share about the services and offerings about advice. Good morning, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So my name is Arpita. I work in Advice International. Advice basically helps students going abroad. So we have been in this industry for more than 33 years. So we are assigned, we are partners with approximately 100 universities abroad from US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, and more like 13 countries. So we provide career counseling, aptitude test, then providing the test preps required during the application process. So it's like career guidance, from the career guidance till the visa assistance process. So we actually cater the requirement of the student's career, what course the student should be looking for, and which university according to the budget and the requirement.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Akanksha Aneja, Senior Manager, Sushant University. Keep watching EduTV.
Greetings, everyone. My name is Marini Bandaru of class 11th at Sarvottam International School. Today, I am at Aram Career Fest held at Sarvottam International School by EduTV. I am at the University of Padul University with the representative Samiksha. Ma'am, can I have an outline of your university, please?
हमारे आउटलाइन में गिविंग द ऑल सर्विस courses from BCom, Commerce line and BTech line, or PCM, PCB also, medical also, MBBS, BHMS, BMS is running courses, and also business courses is available.
Ma'am, can you please give a feedback about the fest? How did you like the fest and what we would like to improve?
A very good fest and very crowded also, and students are also friendly and staff also very good.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hi ma'am, how was your experience at the career fair?
It was wonderful because the programs like this gives a vision to students. I really appreciate it. I would like to thank school for this, because I remember when we started our career, we had a limited options. Rather, options were there, but there was not much of awareness about those. But today students are getting so much of awareness, so they are able to decide their career at this initial stage only. I would love to thank school and organizers for this. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Good morning. My name is Srishti Ray. I'm a student of class 11th at Sarvottam International School. Today, we are here at a career fair in our school organized by EduTV. Today, I have the representative of Shiv Nada University with me. Shall we hear what she has to say about Shiv Nada University?
Hi, thank you for inviting us first. So Shiv Nada University is situated ahead of Greater Noida. There are various schools that we have with us. We have engineering, we have humanities, natural science, and management. If I really talk about the admission process, so the lead forms are already out on the website. What you need to do is you can just quickly go on the website, register yourself, so that we get your details, so that we can get in touch with you, and we would be able to guide you further on that. Followed by the application form. The application form goes live around 15th of November. The application forms will be live. This is a residential university. It's mandate for all the students to come and stay with us for 4 years. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Keep watching EduTV for what's to come.
Hi all, I'm Avika Saxena, an 11th grader of Sarvotham International School. Today we're here at the desk of Bennett University with the representative, Ms. Deepshika. Ma'am, would love to know more about the college, more about the university, and what's so special about this?
Sure, thank you so much for inviting us at the career fair. My name is Deepshika and I'm the admissions manager at Bennett University. We are offering programs into law, management, liberal arts, design, media. As we are from the Times of India group, we are offering the expertise into all these programs. We were established in 2016 and now running all the leading programs these days. So we are very excited to help students explore the opportunities for their career. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Keep watching EduTV.
Greetings everyone, my name is Mani Bandaru of Sarvotham International School studying in grade 11th. I am at the desk of Jindal University. Your name please me?
My name is Garima Khanna.
Garima Khanna. Ma'am, would you please give a outline of your university and what is special about your university and what are you providing for the students?
Alright, so if I'll talk about my university, I am working as the Chief Manager Admissions and Outreach and I'm representing OP Jindal Global University. The first program that we have is law school, but the first school that we actually started. Jindal Global Law School. It's actually, I can actually say that it's world famous. Apart from that, we also offer programs in law, social sciences and humanities. We offer degree programs in mass media, then we have international affairs, then we have psychology, then we have liberal arts and humanities, we have business school, we have banking and finance school, and etc. These are the schools that we have actually offer.
Ma'am, could you please give a feedback about how you felt about the fest and how it was organized?
The fest was really good. I really like the quality of the students, the kind of questions that they have, and I'm really happy to know that they are already aware of our university. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Please keep watching EduTV.
Hi all, I'm Avika Saxena, an 11th grader of Sarvotham International School, and today we're here at the desk of AAFT with the representative, Ms. Manshika. Ma'am, would you like to give us a brief outline about the college or what's so special about it?
Yeah. So first of all, hi all. This is Manshika. I'm admission manager at AAFT. So this college having a legacy of more than 34 years and we are only providing the professional courses like School of Fashion, School of Interior, Journalism and Mass Communication, Cinema, Acting, Television courses. We have a Data Science course, Artificial Intelligence. So as you already know, like most of the students are aligned to the professional courses because they want to be an entrepreneur. That is why we are only focusing on the professional courses. That is why students are getting hand-on experience because we have a very strong collaboration with the industry people. So we are providing 100% placement assistance. Also we are 100% exposures to the industry they are getting in between the course. And also we have a collaborations with the abroad colleges as well, so that the students are getting the abroad immersion programs as well in between the course. Yes. So we have degree courses, we have diploma courses, we have certificate courses and a master degree courses.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Keep watching EduTV.